Welcome to our video on building passive income streams with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Today, we'll be discussing how you can leverage the capabilities of the ChatGPT model to create passive income streams. Whether you're a developer, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for a new opportunity, this video will provide valuable information on the various platforms, examples, and step-by-step instructions for building passive income streams using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Building chatbot applications is one way to create passive income with ChatGPT. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversations with human users through text or voice interactions. With the help of OpenAI's ChatGPT, you can train your chatbot to understand natural language input and respond in a human-like manner. Platforms like Dialogflow, Botstar, and ManyChat can be used to create and deploy your chatbot. Once your chatbot is up and running, you can monetize it by charging businesses or individuals for access or by using it to drive sales through e-commerce integration. Another way to build passive income with ChatGPT is by developing language-based models for natural language processing tasks such as text summarization, sentiment analysis, and text generation. These models can be sold or licensed to businesses and individuals for use in their own applications or services. Platforms like Hugging Face, Algorithmia, and Kaggle can be used to create and share language-based models for others to use. Creating language-based educational content, such as language courses, can also be a way to generate passive income with ChatGPT. By using OpenAI's model to generate unique and engaging content, you can create interactive and personalized language courses that can be sold or subscribed to by students. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare can be used to distribute your language-based courses. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to create an automated content generation service that can be sold to blog and news websites, businesses, and other online platforms that generate content. The technology behind OpenAI allows you to train the model on a specific domain, giving you the ability to generate content that is specific to your client's needs. Platforms like Contentfly and Scripted can be used to connect you with potential clients looking for automated content generation services. Follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. First, you will need to sign up for an OpenAI API key to access the ChatGPT model. 2. Then you need to choose the platform you want to use and create an account. 3. Following that, you must train the model on your specific use case by feeding it datasets or fine-tuning it with pre-trained models. 4. Once you have your model ready, you can use the platform to implement it into your application or service, or you can publish it for others to use. 5. After that, you can monetize your application or service by using the platform's built-in monetization features or by promoting it. So there you have it. 4 different ways to use OpenAI's ChatGPT to build passive income streams and a general step-by-step instruction on how to do so. From creating chatbot applications to developing language-based models and creating educational content, the possibilities are endless. Keep in mind that building a successful passive income stream takes time. Thank you for watching our video on building passive income streams with OpenAI's ChatGPT. We hope you found the information in this video valuable and helpful. If you want to stay up to date on the latest trends and techniques in building passive income streams, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting more interesting and informative content like this in the future. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," so we know you're on board. Thanks for watching.